Hello! I'm Nibbles, the electrical gremlin, with Automation Academy and the PLC Tech. If you don't find me handsome, maybe you will find me helpful.
Hey guys, just want to do a quick unboxing on this GoPro Max 2 365 camera. It also has action view, so you can use it for both. It's also true 8K. Got a few little different options that you can see there. If you're looking for this camera, this is just a hands-on opening so you can see the size of it, package of it. So I already broke the seal. So actually I have not broke the seal. I thought I had. So let's do that. Packaging is not as good as some of their older stuff, but still pretty nice. You guys are getting to see it as I see it, so any surprises, we'll both be surprised. Manuals. There's some cool stickers. Little wipey pad, looks like a microfiber. Quick start. And then here's some cables. USB-C to USB-C. Attachment for a curved surface. Looks like a battery, possibly the spare, not sure. Definitely battery. The mount. It's got the piece in the middle to help secure it. Assuming you guys already have this part of it. If not, you probably want to order that with it. You see the screw connector for it. Camera's kind of large, actually a little bigger than I expected. That's alright. It's hefty, got some weight to it. Obviously it's got cameras on both sides. There's a lens for the LCD. Let's take this off. Wow, it's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome looking camera. We'll have to play around with it. Be sure to follow the channel because I'll be using this camera. I'm sure you're going to see the video of it. See what it looks like in action. Doubt if it'll power up. Besides that, I probably need to put the battery in it. Figure out how to open it. Okay. Guess I need to read a manual. Give me just a second.
Please like this video right now. You need to subscribe to this channel. I want you to comment down below. Do it or I'll causing chaos.
Alright, we're back. Well, it is a little tricky, which is a good thing. You got to actually pull down here and lift up at the same time. So I don't know if you can see that going down to where you can see the red, and then lift up. So then that battery I showed a second ago is the one we need. Goes down towards the prongs. It has a little tab for getting a hold of it. Probably won't go but one way. Got it right the first time. And then that should just push right back into place. Okay. Power button. See if this battery's got any juice to it. Looks like it does. Hey, here we go. Well, that tells me it don't have enough juice to do much. No, we're going through setup. Cool. Touch screen, that's cool. Go through voice control. Checking for SD, don't have one. Battery's okay, 24%. Agree to legal stuff. Let's go back through that again, see if we can push past this SD card problem. Guess I need to put an SD card in it. Be right back. Alright, sorry you missed it, but I put the SD card in and almost instantly recognized it and moved to, hey, here's the link to download the app. So, can't get past it. It just keeps wanting to go back and forth. So, we'll do that. And, hey, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow and get to see some of the video that we make with this new Max 2 360 camera. Thanks for watching.
And that is all the news for tonight. This is Nibbles signing off. Remember to stay green and keep causing chaos.